Okay, so all methods aren't working anymore? Let's find a new way to open this device. And just a disclaimer, make sure you're doing this on your own device only. First, connect to Wi-Fi when it asks you to. I've already connected mine. Alright, so we have a pattern lock. And we have Google FRP lock too. Let's try the emergency call option. Hopefully we might get some access from there. Let's try dialing emergency numbers and see. Oh, yeah, we've got one. Notepad. Oh wait, sorry, end the call before proceeding. Alright, let's try this method. Type in num, save it, and then click on the link. Yes, we have access. Now let's try opening the browser from here. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. Let's try FRP bypass. It's not working. And settings also seem to be blocked. Okay, you know what? Let's go back. Go back to the Wi-Fi setup screen. Alright, now follow these steps carefully. Don't miss one or you'll get yourself confused. Select Add Network, then press volume up and volume down at the same time for a few seconds. Okay, let go, and now hold them down one more time. Hold on, don't skip. We won't be using TalkBack. As you can see, TalkBack isn't working. Follow the steps and close TalkBack. Now press volume up and volume down together to stop it. Now long press inside the text box and select Input Method. Follow me as I am doing it here. Okay, accessibility is enabled. Type Open Easy Share. Now grab another device. Any phone will do, as long as you can install EasyShare. Now follow along. Install Activity Launcher, then install EasyShare and open it. Deselect everything and select only Activity Launcher. Alright, just follow what I'm doing and you should be good. Let's find Setup Nearby Device. If you can't find it, just use the search box in Settings. Now, confirm old phone security. Oh, and by the way, this method works on other Vivo models as well. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if this video helped you out. Alright, peace and out.